Hello and welcome to Pool's How-To Guide section. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of troubleshooting your Hayward AquaRite. As with any automatic salt chlorine generator, tune-ups and tweaks are needed from time to time. Troubleshooting a Hayward AquaRite can be quick and simple. By following this guide, your AquaRite can be successfully restored. If the power LED is not on, check to make sure either the 120 or 240 input power is connected to the proper screw terminals at the AquaRite control. Then verify input voltage with a voltmeter. If there is input power, the fuse may have blown. The AquaRite is protected by a 20 amp mini ATO fuse located on the circuit board above the cell connector. If the generating LED is flashing, the temperature of the pool water is either too high or too low to operate. You can override this by flipping the main switch from auto to superchlorinate. The AquaRite will run at maximum output for the remainder of the current pump cycle or 24 hours, whichever comes first. If the no-flow LED is illuminated, the Hayward AquaRite has sensed a no-flow condition and has stopped generating chlorine. Check that the flow switch is plugged into the connector on the bottom of the control unit and that the wire is not cut or damaged. Make sure you have at least 12 inches of straight pipe before the flow switch. If there is adequate flow and the LED is still on, check that the arrows on the flow switch are pointing in the proper direction of flow. If the check salt LED is illuminated or flashing, check the salt level in the pool. If the salt level is too low, add salt according to the chart in the owner's manual. Before adding large quantities of salt, it is advisable to have your salt level tested with test strips or by a professional. If the high salt LED is illuminated, check the salt level with a test kit. If the salt level is too high, lower it by draining some of the pool water via the pool's wastewater line, then refill using fresh water. Continue until the salt concentration is at recommended levels. If the inspect cell LED is flashing, inspect and clean cell according to directions in the owner's manual. When done, press and hold the diagnostic button for 3 seconds to reset the inspect cell LED. If the inspect cell LED is illuminated, remove and inspect the cell for scale. If the cell shows signs of scale, follow the directions in the owner's manual for cell cleaning. If the pool has the proper amount of salt and the inspect cell LED is still illuminated, the cell may be worn and need replacement. If PCB is displayed and all red LEDs are illuminated, a possible printed circuit board fault has been detected. Call 1-866-772-2100 for service. Here are a few common causes for little or no residual chlorine. The Hayward AquaRite switch is in the off position. The desired output percentage adjustment is set too low. The stabilizer level is too low. The filter pump time is too short. The salt level is too high or too low. The water temperature is warm, causing a high demand for chlorine. The water temperature is too low, causing the AquaRite to stop generating. Excessive scale on the cell. Any of these problems will cause little or no residual chlorine. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us toll-free at 1-877-372-6038 or visit us online at www.inyopools.com.